guys, I'm going to do a what's in my purse video. This is my purse. That was my cat. This tan purse by Nine West. It's got little fringes and little pockets. Alright. First, I got a little makeup bag in my bag. Tissues. Some cash. Of course. Some makeup brushes. When I'm doing makeup on the run. Blotting sheets. More blotting sheets. I don't really use blotting sheets so much. My face is more dry than oily. Just a spray. Little toothbrushes to go. This is cute. It's a little case that you put your nail file. I would need a nail file. Something for headaches, Advil or whatever. Floss. Hand sanitizer. And I love cake. I don't love this flavor. It's too sweet for me. I got it as a gift, that's why I have it. A mirror. No, just a regular mirror. A brush. A nail file. A little nail file. Pen and a pencil. Lip gloss. Pepper spray in case. Oh. These are little cards. Aren't they cute? They're actual cards. So I keep them with me. So like if I go out to dinner with someone or whatever, we can play cards. I don't know. And change. A hair thing. The rest is just garbage. And these little zippers, I have Benadryl because I have allergies. And hair clip. Little bobby pin. This side. I just have little perfume bottles. Because you never know when you run out the house and you forgot to spray. And that's it. So, that's what's in my purse. Now I could clean it out because all this is just garbage. Alright, have a good day. Bye.